California. That's where the world's first ever fully autonomous AI-powered restaurant has opened, complete with burger flipping bots.
This automated grill gives the meat its sizzle as this restaurant goes robotic.
For this burger, it will take about 120 seconds.
Cali Express by Flippy is the world's first AI-powered eatery. There's new technology outside the kitchen, too.
A cheeseburger.
Order kiosks use facial recognition to remember you, your favorite food, and how you like to pay. Then watch the robots work. No humans required.
We can't get enough people to come out to work on fryers and grills, and they're dangerous jobs. And this automation helps solve a lot of those issues.
Hello, may I have someone?
62% of restaurants report being understaffed. Industry experts say most of those unfilled jobs could be done by robots.
Your job is literally getting replaced by AI. You are literally forced to start a business. You are literally forced to do it. You have to pursue entrepreneurship. You got to provide some type of high income skill to the world. And you even got to be talented nowadays. The universe don't reward talented people. The universe reward people who have the audacity to show up every single day. Look, AI is taking over, bro. Your job is literally finna be replaced by AI. They already in Cali doing it. Y'all seen, bro. Y'all seen the first clip. What you gonna do about it? It's nothing you can do about it. The only thing you can honestly do is figure out who you truly are. Figure out what you like to do on a regular basis that fulfills you. Provide that high income skill to the world and stay consistent on it every single day. Us entrepreneurs, we ain't got to deal with that. Matter of fact, we using AI. AI is helping us. ChatGPT is helping us. We getting more ideas. AI is our tool to get where we supposed to be. Listen, I know you like, well, it's evil. Why should AI take over the planet? That's not okay. You're going to have to accept it. Don't argue about the problem. Don't fucking it's like you complaining about the problem, but you're not trying to find a solution to it. You can't argue with it. What you going to do? You going to protest? Okay. Still got to find some type of high income skill. AI is taking over, fellas. And what we have to do, we have to figure out what we want to do. We have to find our purpose. I feel like what this is doing to us is helping us to become our best selves. Nigga, you ain't working for nobody. Now AI is working for you. You just got to be intelligent. You just got to learn how to become the best version of yourself and to still generate enough revenue to provide for you. I know you're like, nah, Jay, this is toxic behavior. No computer generator should be taking over the planet. Nobody should be working for us. We got it. No, the fuck we do not. We don't like working. All you got to do is just figure out who you truly are and provide that to the world every single day. Just pursue entrepreneurship. Use your phone instead of consuming your phone. Be a content creator. All you got to do is show up every single day. But with you arguing about the problem, like when I seen that video, it was a lot of comments like, oh, this is not okay. Like, is this normalized? Like, you got robots doing stuff like this. And listen, dog, you're going to have to accept it. You're going to have to accept it. I look at it like they doing us a favor, though. You get what I'm saying? Like, when I seen that video, it didn't affect me because I'm a creator. Like, I wasn't planning on working a 9-to-5 for the rest of my fucking life anyways. I'm not a bot. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I don't just do what I've been taught. Like, I'm an outside thinker. So when I seen that, I'm like, okay, it is what it is. Like, I mean, I just got fired from my job, so I don't give a fuck. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I just got fired from my job, and I basically got fired from a job I didn't even like anyways. And if AI taking over, they basically just taking over our motherfucking spot. They taking over our stress for real, because you know you stressing with your 9-to-5 24/7. And just because you ain't working a 9-to-5, that don't mean it's the end of the world for you, bro. Just Find out who you truly are. Find your purpose, bro. Everybody got a purpose. God ain't birthed no soul with no purpose. And find out who you truly are and project that purpose to the world every single day. Okay? This is the time to connect with God now. But you have to have the audacity to start a business and show up for the business every single day. I know it may seem delusional, like, Jay, I don't know, like the government is bothering us now. Like now they putting us in a position to be poor. Like, no, they putting you in a position to get rich. The best spot to work at is at home. That's the best spot to be at. Imagine if you at home every single day and you bored. You at home and you bored. Nigga, honestly, nigga, you're gonna get creative with something, dog. Like, you gonna find something to do. You gonna pursue entrepreneurship when you get bored, bro. That's where I started. I think I was bored as fuck. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Like, I'll change my life on a day-to-day basis. Let me project the same energy to the world and, you know, show up for myself every single day. I ain't gonna lie, I look at it like, you know, the government is putting you in a position to do what the fuck you want. Like, literally. Like, you ain't gotta wake up and be on somebody else's timing. You ain't gotta do none of that. But the reason why they did that, I ain't gonna lie to you, is because I feel like the reason why they replacing humans with AI is because it's a lot of motherfuckers who quitting their job. Like, it's a lot of motherfuckers who's waking up. You see a lot of entrepreneurs nowadays. Like, a lot of people starting to become millionaires, literally. And, you know, these billionaires, they seeing this, they like, oh, damn, we losing money, kind of. So now they trying to replace humans with AIs. So, you know, they can have this income generating all over the world and they get more money and then more power. And then if they have you in a house, you definitely, nigga, bro, but if you in the house, that's even more better for you to focus on yourself, though. That's what I'm saying. Like, the best spot to be is in the house. Like, nigga, you in the house. Like, as long as you just in the house and you focused on yourself and you figure out what you want to do, nigga, you will be good, nigga. All you need is just a fucking desk and a computer. That's all you need. A computer and a desk. Focus on yourself for like 5 to 10 years. Nigga, focus on your dreams for 5 to 10 years, nigga. You will be alright, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment, though. I think it's an opportunity. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's an opportunity for me to become a millionaire. Like, if they replace humans with AI all over the world, it's really an opportunity for you to become a millionaire. That's how I look at it. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.